guys, today we are going to be unboxing this box. I don't know what is inside this box because my chacha bought it. Let's start. We're going to see what it is. Okay, so it's like this. It's a space theme. Let's how to open, I don't know. But okay, let it be like that. So we are gonna be opening this. Wait, how to open this? I don't know. Yeah. Let's see. Whoa. See this. And see this. These are all color pencils and brushes. I love this kit. Oh my goodness, it has markers, alcoholic markers, even like alcoholic markers look so good. Oil pastel paints palette. This is so like a heaven. And this as a color pencils. Yes, so good. I got the all shades of color pencils and pencils, like so good. All indigo colors paint. Perfecto. So much perfect. I love this kit because it also have cool markers, like not that cool markers, like it's not that branded one, it's other branded, but this brand is also famous for alcoholic markers. So I'm so happy to have this. Yes, if you want this, I don't know how to buy it because my chachu bought it. If you like this video, thank you, and like and subscribe. Don't forget that. Bye bye.